I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So, tignan natin ang inyong pong kwento ng buhay at kung anong mangyayari. So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. Pag hindi po binanggit yung pangalan ninyo, huwag po kayong mag-retaliate, no? Nagbabasa lang po ako, no? So, hindi po ako kaaway dito. And I want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So, kung kailan po kayo, no? Kung kailan nyo makita itong reading na ito, the message is meant to find you. So, magsimula na tayo. Ang nakikita natin dito, magandang panimula, no? Or, kasi this is coming from the past, medyo sinasabi dito ay, siguro merong mga pangako, no? Na na-lure tayo, kumbaga naakit tayo sa mga magagandang sinasabi nitong taong ito. It felt like pwedeng ito na, siguro yung sinasabi nating, again, we're talking about the past, no? Simula ng magandang buhay, no? Simula ng panibagong chapter, no? Ng romance, no? So, ayan, kasi ang nakikita natin dito with the new life, parang merong tayong parang pag-asa na kumbaga either gustong makuha, pinangarap, even to a point na nandito tayo sa part na we're really looking forward, no? With the Hermit, the Ten of Cups, and the Page of Wands. For a few numbers of you, siguro na-meet itong person na ito probably online or pinakilala, no? By someone. One thing is for sure, hindi ito direkta. Hindi ito direktang kilala, hindi ito direktang kausap, no? So there's actually a parang bridge. The bridge may be a specific person, the bridge may be the technology, no? Kasi at first, yung pananaw sa buhay, no, the maturity per se, it felt like nandito tayo sa part na ito yata ang tao, no, na para sa akin. Ito yata yung tao na makapagbibigay sa akin ng saya, ng ligaya, no? With the Page of Wands, clarifying it with the Eight of Pentacles and the Eight of Swords. Wow! I don't know kung sino dito yung ang buhay ay trabaho, bahay. Bahay, trabaho. Pwede rin itong ipinakilala ng katrabaho, something about the work, or it could be nakilala nyo ito sa trabaho, no? For a few numbers of you, parang medyo nagustuhan natin how this person probably think, how this person handles, no, life situation. Uh, go the distance. Ngayon, meron ditong separation. So, ang nakikita natin, nagustuhan natin si person, no? Whether this person actually had a commitment with us, hindi naman pinakita ng cards, or wala pa, no? Hindi pa natin nakikita. Or we actually invested emotion in this person. Although, no, kasi go the distance, parang meron nagkaroon ng separation. Separation can be physical, separation can be energetic. So physical, the person might be in a different city, state, country, county, different continent, or energetic, biglang hindi nakapag-usap. Or it can be a combination of both. The Page of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, and the Seven of Wands. So nagkaroon tayo ng pause, no? Sa connection. And I feel like the pause may be a bit medyo matagal, no? Or ito na yung pinakamatagal na hindi kayo nagkita, or pinakamatagal na hindi kayo nag-usap. Parang nanumbalik lang, no? Parang ibinigay lang uli, no? Parang binigyan ng chance na magtagpo kayong uli. Magkausap kayo uli. I feel like meron din ditong hinanap, no? Through social media account, yung profile, no? So, someone here reached out. So, chances are, meron talagang distance, no, dito. Kasi, pwede naman mag-usap ng direkta. Pero, ginamit kasi yung technology, no? Let's clarify here the Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles is clarified by the Hangman and the Devil card. So, para kasing ngayon, either meron ng challenge, no? Either you already have this relationship, new relationship, or your person might have a new relationship, may blockage na. So, parang patuloy pa rin, or parang gusto nang i-bridge, or gustong i-bridge yung communication between you and them. The tribe, pasensya na ha. The tribe, the Six of Wands, the Ace of Swords, and the King of Wands. So, ang nakikita natin dito ay actually, nag-away yung aking mga baby. Pasensya na. Pero inaawat na. The tribe in here, meron ding mga taong involved, no? I feel like merong mga nagbalita na, oy, si ganito, no? Libre na. Pwede nang kumbaga, someone here just probably separated. So, pwede nang magkaroon ng relationship. Feeling ko na udlot itong relationship na ito, no? May nagbabalita. So, parang merong gumagawa talaga ng daan na pwede mo na siyang ligawan, pwede mo nang tanggapin itong taong ito. It felt like pwede rin nung mga panahon na kayo medyo complicated itong relationship. Pero ngayon, parang umokay na, no? Parang pwede na. I feel like pwedeng ito yung mga katrabaho mo rin na nagbalita, ang mga kakilala niya or kakilala mo na nagbalita. Kasi with the tribe in here, or pwede, no, kamag-anak niya or kamag-anak mo ang nagbalita, whether sa iyo or sa person mo. This is a relationship na ibabalik, no? Parang rekindling a relationship na matagal na wala. Rekindling a relationship na hindi nangyari dati. So, parang medyo late, na parang hindi naman. pwede pang subukan kung pagbibigyan, no? Kung bubuksan natin ang puso natin, kung bubuksan natin ang isip natin, kung patutuloyin natin, no, itong taong ito sa buhay natin uli, chances are magiging maganda ang flow, no, ng relationship. Chances are itong mga bagay na ito, kung ano man yung naudlot, pwedeng mag-continue. So, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? Pwede pong lumabas ang inyong zodiac sign. Pwedeng lumabas ang zodiac sign niya. Pero bago yan, gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question, no? Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi po discounted na yun, and if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So the zodiac sign here is Leo, Gemini, I'm seeing Aries, Cancer, Capricorn, Taurus, Scorpio, Virgo, Pisces. Aries is here. This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the